snow is very, very heavy. It's not light like I thought it was.
Can I get out there?
I was supposed to be in the house. Come on, James! Come on. Come in the house, come on. Go, over there, go.
Oh man, what are you doing? What?
Let's see.
You didn't put this back inside the spinach out?
Yeah.
I did. It was just that I couldn't see. No.
Hey, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Forget about that, forget him. Let's go in the house. Look at the house, look at the house, look at the house, look at the house. That's why you're going to go outside. You going to take the car? Gotta go in the house. Go in the house.
I don't
The
want
house.
to. I don't
What
want
the house cat is it?
to. No.
Wow, real covered with snow now. No, stay there. It's too windy. Close the damn door. You stay inside. Come on.
Yeah, you go with me.
No. I can,
Where am I?
come on. You can get out in here.
It's not gonna matter. Let it be.
It's too much.
Just let it be. Let's go inside, both of us.
It's too much now.
Yeah. I just wanted to film it in the snow like this. That's all. I'm going to film of snow for the next 2 days.